Guru Brahma, Guru
This meeting is being recorded.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. All of you, good evening. Can you start? Monday there will be tournament between you. Then I will give prizes also. Monday there will be tournament. Okay. First while starting, it is always better to open with king pawn or queen pawn. King pawn or queen pawn.
Buttons छोड़ रहे.
King pawn or queen pawn.
How to send down the screen and what do you learn in laptop? I don't know. Why do you need participants? I want your video.
Light should be brought.
बस okay base ले तारो. If you give me the study table, then only I can do. Start the video, stop the video. ले कर तने आवड़े છે તો કર. ઝૂમ આવડે છે નહીં તો શું કરે છે ખબર જ નથી તો પપ્પા શું કરશે બોલ.
Please. Can you hear me? First, the knight. After that, bishop should be brought. After that, bishop should be brought, and then you have to castle as soon as possible. Okay? Did you get it? And what you should not do is you should not bring them. You should not move unnecessarily.
Get my mobile first. You get my mobile.
Queen should not be moved, and unnecessary pawn movement. Unnecessary pawn movement should be avoided. Did you get it? Got it? Everybody got it? First, what are the first things you have to do? First, you have to bring the king pawn, white pawn, king or queen pawn. After that, knight should be brought. After that, bishop should be brought. And then castle should be done. What are the things you should not do is you should not move the king, queen unnecessary and pawn movement unnecessary. The main opening concept. We go to puzzles now. Can anybody tell why to play in checkmate block in 1 move? 1 minute. Why to play in checkmate black in 1 move? Can you tell? Can you tell why to? Why to play in checkmate black in 1 move? 1 move checkmate. I'll start. Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Why to play in checkmate black in 1 move? Can anybody tell? Why to play checkmate black in 1 move? Atharva, can you tell? Atharva. 1 move checkmate. Do you know what is meant by checkmate?
Sir?
Do you know what is meant by checkmate?
Sir, checkmate means your king is your opponent is going to hit your king.
What? Where?
Sir?
1 minute. 1 minute. One minute. Can you tell now why to play in checkmate black in 1 move? How you checkmate black in 1 move? 1 move. 1 move. 1 move. Aramita, Viren or Tanishq, can you tell? Can you tell? Who will tell? Tanishq, can you tell? Tanishq or Aditya or Viren? 1 move checkmate. Why to play in checkmate black in 1 move?
मेरा वो है क्या ऑफ है सब कुछ ऑफ.
Can you tell? Atharva, can you tell?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, tell. What is your name? What's your name?
Aradhya.
Aradhya. Can you tell? Aradhya is in Maharashtra, Mumbai, no?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Yes. Queen to G7.
Correct. Correct. Now, king can't kill the queen, king can't come here. Correct. Correct. Now, can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move? White to play in checkmate black in one move. Can you tell Tanish or Atharva, who will tell? Archini, can you tell Archini?
Sir, I can tell.
What's your name?
Sir, Sushant, I can tell.
Tell 1 minute. I got 1 minute.
Sir,
Okay, Sushant, can you tell?
H7.
Who is
Yes, sir.
H7? Correct.
Q.
Who told that?
Yeah.
Who told?
Sir, Harshini.
Archini, correct. Correct.
Man, sir, 2H7, man. Sir.
QH7 is correct. Now, king can't come here or here. Can I give one more problem? Do you know what is meant by stalemate? Stalemate, do you know? Anybody knows stalemate?
Sir, I know.
Sir, it means a draw.
It is a major. Yes. What is that?
Sir, I use, sir.
Oh, yes, tell me, what is the question?
Sir, I'm new, sir.
Stalemate, you know, I'll give question one. First, I'll give one move checkmate. After that, we'll go to stalemate and then pass it. Can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move? One move checkmate. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, Aradhita, tell.
Can you tell Aradhita? Can you tell one move checkmate?
Sir, you can move a queen to queen to E6.
E5, then E6, then king will kill the pawn. Only one move is there for you. Only one move checkmate.
Sir, you can
sir?
move 7 E7.
E7, then king will kill the queen. Then
Sir?
king will kill it. Yes, tell me.
Ritik, sir.
Ritik,
Sir,
one move checkmate. Yes,
sir. Pawn to F8.
pawn to F8, then rook will kill the pawn. Rook will.
Sir, can I tell?
Who is Aradhita? Can you tell? Aradhita here?
Yes, sir. King to
No, white
E5.
to play. Queen moment. Soldier moment.
Yes, sir. White king to E5.
Then king cannot come in front of king. It is wrong. Soldier moment. What will you take? Can you tell? White to play. Checkmate black in one. Can you repeat?
Sir,
Checkmate. Retweet.
queen to
Q
E5.
E5.
Q E5, then king will kill the pawn. Only one move checkmate. You know, Sushant? Unmute ಮಾಡು.
Sir,
Sir, queen E5.
queen to D8.
Queen to D8, then it will rook will kill the queen.
Sir, Ritvik. Sir,
Here,
queen
Ritvik.
to C3.
Queen to C3, then king will kill the pawn. That is also wrong. Here, okay, pawn into rook takes knight, then it will be checkmate. Now, when you promote the pawn to queen, 8th rank, you can get queen, rook, bishop, or knight. Did you get it? Got it?
Yes.
Now, if you take knight, it will be checkmate. Now, I'll teach n%, go to stalemate. Okay? n% means. One minute.
Hello, sir.
1 minute. I am checking the board.
Video is also not which class.
Yeah, now white to play. If suppose two steps, you can kill it like this. This called impatient. Do you know this? Suppose it moves suppose it moves two steps. You can kill. It is called impatient. Do you know that? Anybody?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
know this? Anybody knows this? I'll show
Sir,
it
I
again.
know, sir. Sushant.
Sushant knows. Others know?
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
others know? Ritvik, do you know? Ritvik?
Sir, I know.
Yes. It moves two steps, then it will be checkmate. Now if it moves here, two steps, you can kill it like this.
Keep her out and close the.
She's crying and crying then.
Okay, this card. I will give important problem now.
Excuse me, sir.
Wait, what is
Why isn't we getting into this?
what is that? Who is that? Can you tell your name?
Sir, my name is Rishabh. It is my first class here, sir.
Okay, what is that you want?
Sir, it is my first class, sir.
Okay, this is the first class. This theory concept is teaching. I am teaching for concept.
Okay, sir.
These are basic concept. Checkmate
My first class.
and the stalemate are basic concept.
Sir. Sir, okay, sir.
Now, if it moves two steps, can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move? One move checkmate. This is a basic concept. A stalemate. Yes, checkmate in one move. Ritvik, can you tell? Ritvik, can you tell? Ritvik or Sushant?
Checkmate,
One move checkmate. This let it be English because some of them from Japan are there, some of them from Mumbai are also there. So it will be in Japan. It will be in English.
Sir, queen to F6.
Queen to F6, then king will kill the knight. I told you, important.
Why?
Huh? Yeah. Huh? King to F7, then king will go to F8.
Why are you so irritated?
One
I am
move
struggling here to do for you a new one.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Disconnect audio means?
One move. White to play. Aditya, can you tell? Aditya?
Queen to F6.
Queen to F6, then king will kill the knight. That is also. N% I chart, just now chart you can tell.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir,
What is
pawn to E6.
Yes.
pawn to
Who
E6.
told that? Who told that? Ritvik, huh?
Ritvik.
Correct. It is DEC. This called no first step, one step if you can, one step is full, two steps also you can kill. It is called N%. It is called N%. What I got it? Did you get it? Now it is checkmate. I'll give one more. White to play in checkmate black in one move. Can you tell? Can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir, pawn to A6.
BA6 it is called. Who told that?
Sir, Ritvik.
It is correct. Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here or here. Correct. Now I go to stalemate problem. Do you know what is meant by stalemate?
Yes, sir.
The statement means draw.
Draw.
No, sir. It means like when.
Sir, if the other player did not give a checkmate and the other person does not have to play.
Yes. Can you tell who wins the game here? Black to play. Can you tell who wins the game here? Black to play. Any moves are possible? No.
Sir,
No, sir.
No, sir.
No
Stalemate.
moves are possible. This is called stalemate. Got it? Did you get it? Did you get it? This is called stalemate. It is not checkmate. King cannot move anywhere. King is not in check. This is called stalemate. It's a draw. It is a draw. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. And one more. I will give one more checkmate or stalemate problem.
I'm raising my hand also and then it's not.
Sir,
Black to play and draw the game. Black to play and stalemate in one move. Black to play and stalemate in one move.
Do one thing, I will leave it off.
Black to play and stalemate in one move. White is winning. White is one rook up. How will you draw the game in one move? Black to play. Which is the best move for black? Ritvik ಹೇಳ್ತೀರೋ ರಿತ್ವಿಕ್ ಅವ್ರ
ಇರಿ ಸರ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಬೇಡ ಕಣ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಪಾನ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ some of them are Japan, some of them from Mumbai are there. Okay, black to play. Black to play in stalemate in one.
Sir, queen to c1, sir.
What's your name?
Hanchini.
Hanchini, correct. Two c7 is correct. Now queen is forced to kill. Now king can't move anywhere. King is not in check. Stalemate. Got it? Very good, Hanchini. Very good. Correct. Now it is called stalemate. How old are you, Hanchini and Hanchini? How old are you? Hello, Hanchini and Hanchini.
10 years old.
10 years old.
Sir, I'm 8 and she's 10 years old.
8 and 10. Oh. Now, can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move? I'll flip the board. White to play in checkmate black in one move. Monday, there will be tournament between all of you so that there will be prizes. 3 prizes will be there. First, second, third. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, offline or online?
Online. As of now, it is only online. Until next month.
Sir, did everyone do the tournament?
Yes, everybody has to participate. So that and trophies will be given. No entry fee.
Sir, how can we join?
I'll
sir?
send the link. I'll conduct the tournament. I'll send the link. I'll send the thing.
At what time?
4 to 5 Monday.
Okay, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, knight to c6.
Knight to g6 cannot go to g6.
No, c6.
Knight c6, then king will go to here. F4. Only one move is there.
Knight to e6.
Knight to e6, correct. Who told that?
Harshini.
Harshini, correct. Very good, correct. Now king can come here or here. Correct. Very good. White to play in checkmate black in one move. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, knight to f7.
Correct. Who told that?
Ritvik.
Ritvik, correct.
Man, sir.
Yes, tell me.
S7.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Correct. Now, can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move? How is the class going on?
Sir, queen to g5.
With g5, correct. How is the class going on?
Nice.
Hey, answer my Ruchi. Now, can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move? Some of the opening traps I will teach after this another 5 minutes.
Sir, queen to f1.
Queen to f1, correct. Correct. Now king can come here or here. Correct.
Sir, they told it.
Yes, correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move? Atal, where are you going? Atal, can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir?
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, Q f4.
Sir, queen to
Q f4. Okay, what will happen is then king will go to here. Only one move is there for you. Only one move.
Sir, queen to e5.
Queen to e5, then also
Sir.
king can go here. Only
Sir, queen to b4.
queen to b4, then king can go here. That is also wrong.
Sir, queen to e8.
Queen to e8, then king can go to here.
Sir, queen to b1.
Ritvika, very good. Correct. Ritvik,
Queen
correct.
to b1.
Correct. King can't come here or here or here. Correct. Correct. I'll take the attendance for 140 members. Now queen to b1. Now one more problem. White to play in checkmate black in one move. Monday there will be tournament 4 to 5 p.m. I'll send the trophies through courier.
Sir, queen to d4.
Queen to d4, then king can go to f4. Queen to e5 also wrong. Queen to d4 is also wrong.
Sir, queen to h1.
Correct. Correct. Very good, Ritu. Correct.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
king can't come here or here or here. Correct. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir, queen to e2.
Correct.
The next one.
1 minute. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move? Who will tell? Who will tell? White to play in checkmate black in one move. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, e pawn. Pawn to e8.
F pawn to f6.
Pawn to f6, then king will kill the pawn. King will kill the pawn.
Sir, take e pawn to sir. E
Yes.
pawn to e8.
What
Sir,
will you take?
Ritvik,
What will you take? What will you take?
Sir, knight. Sir, I
Knight.
took knight.
Right, correct. Now king
Yes,
comes
sir.
here or here or here. Correct, correct.
Sir, next question.
I'll give 1 minute. Two rooks are there with you. How will you checkmate black? Two rooks are you. One. How will you checkmate black?
Sir, one more. Should we say how to check?
You can take as many moves, but minimum number of moves.
Sir, first rook to b2.
B2. Okay. So I'll move here. What will you take? Play.
Sir, then I'll move.
You have to block one column and one
Sir, rook to b3.
to b3. Now I'll move here. What will you play?
Sir, I'll play rook to a3.
To a3. Now king comes here. What will you play?
Sir, rook to b4.
B4. Now I'll come here. What will you play?
Sir, rook to a4.
So a4 ಯಾವುದು one ಯಾವ rook? Which rook?
Sir, a rook, sir.
A
So,
rook.
like a column rook.
Okay, now if it moves here
Sir, again rook to b5.
to b5. Okay. Now if it comes here,
Sir, if it comes there, rook to a6.
to a6. Now if it comes here, king ball comes to b7.
Sir, rook to b6. The b column rook.
Okay. Now king moves here
Sir, rook to a7.
to a7. Okay. Now king moves here. What will you play?
Sir, no, sir, that's b7. Sir, that's b7.
Rook b7. No, rook b7 ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. a7. Rook a7.
a7.
I told rook a7.
Now also I'll move here. What will you play?
Sir, rook to b7.
Which rook?
Sir,
Which rook?
b column. Sir, b column rook.
Now you have to block one column at a time. That is called two rook checkmate. Now one more checkmate, can you tell?
Sir, rook b8.
B8. Now I'll give one queen. Can you checkmate with one queen?
Sir, that I don't know that much, but I can do it, but it'll take time.
Okay, you can take time, but you need not give check. You have to force the king to last. Can you tell that? How is the class going on?
Huh?
How is the class going on?
Sir, it's going good.
Okay. Now white to play. How you checkmate black? You can take as many moves, but minimum number of.
Sir, queen to a1.
You need not give check. You have to force the king to last.
Okay, sir. Sir, king to d2.
Queen moment. Queen has to make sure that king is in last row. Should I tell the first move?
Sir, queen to a5.
No, you need not give check, but you have to force check. I'll show. Now queen moves here. This diagonal is blocked. This one I will mark it. This column is blocked. This diagonal is blocked, and this column is blocked. Now king. Now king has to move here. Now can you do? Can you try? Can you move that? And king should move. Where queen should move? Where you move?
Sir, king to
Queen
movement.
Queen moment. Again, once only king is in last row, you have to bring the king.
Yes, sir. Queen to d4.
Okay. Now I move here. What will you do? This row, what will you do? Now queen d4. What will you play?
Sir, queen to c5.
Queen to c5. Correct. Now king to f4. King to f6.
Sir,
Queen to d5.
Queen to
d5.
Correct. Now king moves to g7. What will you play?
sir, queen to e6.
Queen to e6. Correct. Now king to h8. What will you play?
Sir, queen to f7.
F7 stalemate agata. Then it will be stalemate.
Queen, sir, queen to g6.
Queen to g6 is also stalemate.
Sir, queen to e7.
Okay. But did you get it? Now king moves.
Yes, sir.
King has to move here only. Now you have to bring the king, white king. Can you tell?
Sir, king to e2.
King to e2. King h8.
Sir, king to f3.
King to f3. Okay. King h8. King g8.
Sir, king to f4.
King to f4. Okay. Now king h8.
Sir, wait, king to f5.
Okay, correct. Now king g8.
Sir, king to f6.
F6. Okay. Now king moves to h8. One move checkmate.
Sir.
Correct.
Sir, king to g7.
King to
G7.
Correct.
Yes, sir. Okay.
I'll teach elephant trap. Have you heard elephant trap? Elephant trap. Have you anybody heard?
Yes, sir.
What is that? Who is that?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. E4, E5, D4, ED4. Now Queen D4, then C6, Queen A4, Queen E7, NC3. Now if black tries to capture the pawn, you will lose the queen. It's called elephant trap. Now if black tries to capture the pawn, then you will lose the queen. Rook E8, Rook D8. Now king kills this queen to queen. This is called elephant trap. Did you get it? I'll show it again.
Too fast.
I'll show it again.
But can you tell again?
Okay.
Sir, got it.
E4, E5, E4, ED4, Queen D4, NF6, NC6, Queen A4. If black tries to capture the pawn, you lose the queen. NC3, NF6, knight bishop D4. Now if D5, then castle 3-0-0. Now king pawn kills, knight into pawn, queen to right, then rook E8. It is called elephant trap. Now queen kills the queen. Can I go to legal trap?
Sir, but
Knight cannot kill it. It is pinned. It is pinned. What's that?
oh, sir, how? Oh yeah, okay. Understood.
Now I'll go to legal trap.
Sir, can you move the queen?
No, you cannot kill the queen because it's pinned. It is a absolute pin. No, it's called absolute pin. 1 minute, I'll show it again. Now pawn. Now it is called absolute. Now queen kills. Rook E8. Now king kills. Then queen to queen. This now knight cannot kill the queen because it is absolute pin. Did you get it? Hello? Anybody has doubt?
Yes, sir.
This called legal. Now this called elephant trap. Now legal trap I will teach. E4, E5, NF3, NC6, bishop C4. Now D6. NC3, bishop G4. Now legal trap. H3. If black tries to pin the knight, then you lose the game. Checkmate. This called legal trap. This called legal trap. This called checkmate. This checkmate. Got it? Anybody has question?
Sir,
Hello?
can you little bit explain like slowly because I
Okay.
can't understand.
Okay. What's your name? Atharva.
Yes, sir.
E4, E5. NF3, NC6.
Legal trap, na?
Legal trap. Yes. Legal trap. This is called legal trap. Bishop C4, D6, NC3, bishop G4. Now H3. If black tries to pin the knight, you will lose the game. Checkmate. Knight into B4. Now bishop kills the queen, then one move checkmate. Bishop here checkmate. King here, knight here checkmate. This is called legal trap. Tomorrow I will teach fishing pole trap and elegant trap. Now can I go to one game played by myself in 2008. Okay. I am white and black is Chetan. E4, C6, NC, DC4, DE4, NE4, NC6, NF6, Queen D3, D5, E5, then knight pawn to pawn, Queen A4, Queen A5, Bishop D2, Queen to pawn. Now castle. Checkmate. This is the game played in this. I played in 2008. I'll show it again.
Sir, give some more sums.
You want more some puzzles, sir? Yes.
Sir.
Okay, I'll keep puzzle. White to play in checkmate black in one move. White to play in checkmate black in one move. White to play in checkmate black in one move. Tomorrow also 4 o'clock class. Tomorrow also 4 o'clock.
Sir, knight
Sir.
knight to F7.
Knight to F7, then bishop will kill the knight.
Sir, rook to
No,
F7.
Knight movement. Rook H7, then queen will kill the knight. Queen will kill the knight movement. Where should knight move?
अरे rook हत्ती बोलतो है मी.
Rook here goes, then bishop will kill the rook. Only one move checkmate. One move checkmate. One move checkmate.
One more checkmate could hold that.
One more checkmate.
Sir, I have another class.
Sir,
1 minute.
knight
And
to,
the 2 minutes is there. After that,
sir, knight to D6.
knight to G6. Correct. Knight to G6.
Sir,
Correct.
D6.
That's correct. And the 1 minute is remaining. White to play in checkmate black in one move. Tomorrow also 4 o'clock class. Tomorrow also 4 o'clock. Wait to play. Sushant, how is the class going on? Sushant?
Sir, nice, sir.
Can you tell why to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir, can
Yes.
I say Ritvik?
Yes, tell me, Ritvik.
Sir, queen to f8.
Queen to f8. Now,
Queen to
can
f8,
anybody other than Ritvik, can Atharva or Aditya, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Atharva, can you tell?
Sir, what? Checkmate, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sir, we can move it, sir.
Sir, pawn to f8 and promote to knight.
Who told that? Sushant. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell now why to play in checkmate black in one move? One move checkmate. Why to play?
Can Ritvik, sir?
Let Atharva, Sushant can tell. Atharva, Sushant.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I say Ritvik?
Tell me, Ritvik.
Sir, bishop to g7.
Bishop to g7. Correct. Can I chant mantra? No? Can I chant mantra? No? Can I chant mantra? Namastalanta Shastra Murte Shastra Patak Sirobhavi Shastramne Purusha Shastra Shastra Kodavidalima Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you, everybody. Tomorrow we'll meet at 4 o'clock. Okay. Monday is a tournament between all of you. I'll give as trophies. I will give. Winners will get trophy. Monday, first 3 will get trophies. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Bye. Okay,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Sir, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir. No. Henge amma.
Sir, class is over, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Today?
It's over. Yes. Today it's over. Tomorrow 4 o'clock. Tomorrow 4 o'clock.